Ka Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Nongstoiñ kumsi benta ban kentiu ban pusan banya ya ka pule putih ya bengki khanna om ban chupule landet hari ban kentiu ya ka jingnang jingtip hakabai deru ba ka jingstat sayan ban wanra ru ya ka sap ka bakham karpang ka badon ki khana pule bandon ka mensim sengsarong ya la kari India ka Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya kalayo ban Rakhe ka National Education Policy arjar arpau long ba ka sarkar lembaga te ka NEP katmu ban wanra ya ka jingnang jingtip kalum Nadu ki kerdan preschool, hadu ki kerdan secondary. Pada hadu 6% ka Jingwan run school ki khanna, hadu Snem arjar laipho. Ya kiti ki kentien 8 pau do Brajesh Singh, ubade principal ka Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Nongstoiñ. Baru Umesh Kumar ubade vice principal, ha ka jinya keren bagi nongtok kubor menta kasngi ha office rekam jongkate ka Shlem.
Government of India has launched the National Education Policy in the year 2020. Now we are celebrating the 3 years of successful implementation of National Education Policy. This National Education Policy will make the India the world leader. Vishwa Guru, world leader it will make, and the main important points of regarding this education policy is that this education policy covers the preschooling. In previous education policy, the children of 6 years and above, they were included, but this education policy covered the students 3 years and above. So preschooling is included, and the main part of this education policy is that up to 5th class, the student are to be provided education in their own language, in their own mother tongue. That is the major part, because this education policy focus on experiential learning. It does not focus upon the rote memory for memorizing the thing. It focus on the understanding. That is the main part of this education policy. This education policy is helping a lot in our education system, particularly for Jnv Nongstoiñ, because we teachers, we inculcate or we impart the education through new pedagogies which are suggested in this education policy. Under experiential learning, we impart the education through storytelling method, through role play method. We integrate the sports and music or the art integrated technology we are adopting. So if the students, they understand the concepts through playway method, they can understand it in a better way. So, if the education is imparted in this way, definitely we are creating the future resource of our country, and coming days you will find the Indians, they will excel in every field, and the name and the fame of India will be there in the field of education. Definitely we turn out the leader in education in all over the world. So this education policy is helping a lot. It is giving us different guidelines, different norms have been set through this education policy to make the India the world leader in the field of education.